Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're curious about Forex and want to know how it all works, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're breaking down what Forex is and how this massive global market operates. What is Forex? First off, Forex stands for foreign exchange, and it refers to the process of exchanging one currency for another. This market is decentralized, meaning there's no central exchange. Instead, currencies are traded over the counter in a global network of banks, brokers, institutions, and individual traders. Currency exchange. Let's break it down. Imagine you're traveling from the US to Europe. You take your US dollars and exchange them for euros. In simple terms, that's Forex. But instead of just exchanging money for travel, traders speculate on the price movements of different currencies to make a profit. How does Forex work? So, how does it work? In the Forex market, currencies are traded in pairs like EUR/USD or GBP/JPY. Each pair represents the value of one currency against another. For example, if the EUR/USD is trading at 1.10, that means 1 euro is equal to 1.10 US dollars. Forex traders make money by predicting whether a currency pair will rise or fall in value. You can either buy if you think the currency will strengthen, or sell if you think it will weaken. These transactions are done through brokers, and thanks to leverage, you can control large positions with relatively little capital. Key terms. There are a few key terms you'll need to understand. First, leverage. This allows traders to open bigger positions than what their account balance would typically allow. But be careful, leverage can amplify both your profits and losses. Then there's the term pip, which is the smallest price movement in a currency pair, and spread, which is the difference between the buying and selling price. How to trade Forex. To trade Forex, you'll need a broker. Choosing the right broker is essential for a good trading experience. I highly recommend brokers like Exness, GTCFX, Multibank FX, and OctaFX. These brokers offer user-friendly platforms, competitive spreads, and great support for traders of all levels. You can open a demo account to practice, or if you're ready to start trading live, you can sign up today using the links in the description below. Each of these brokers offers excellent trading conditions, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Forex market sessions. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. It's divided into 4 major trading sessions: New York, London, Tokyo, and Sydney. The best times to trade often coincide with the overlap of these sessions when the market is most active. Risks and rewards. Like any financial market, Forex trading comes with risks. It's important to manage your risk with tools like stop-loss orders and to never risk more than you can afford to lose. But with the right strategy, Forex can be a great way to grow your investment. Alright, that's a wrap on today's video. Now you know the basics of what Forex is and how it works. If you found this helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with more tips on trading and finance. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to sign up with the best brokers: Exness, GTCFX, Multibank FX, and OctaFX. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.